Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel review for us from Logitech Pro X League of Legends, and now I can show you the easiest way to connect it with the microphone to the PC. So basically, if you want to connect the microphone, you need to connect it to the input source, so it had the different shape of this, I don't know how to name it, of the cable, and insert it into mini jack with the same shape, and you will have the cable here. So from the one side you can connect it to the headphones, and from the other to your PC. But if you want to use it with your microphone, so you need to connect it not using the normal mini jack connecting your PC, but using this adapter you can find that you can find in the box of the headphones. And in this way, using this setup, you can connect it to your PC and use it with your mic. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.